Let's get started. 3, 2, 1. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Good night. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Ardian Yuda. I'm from 11 Science. I will talk about vaccine. In this opportunity, actually in this video, exactly I will explain and told you about my opinion about the vaccine in this pandemic era. Like we know, there's nowadays the world is still in a big case of the problem. The problem is, like we know, nowadays we get the pandemic COVID-19. This pandemic is so make the big impact, the bad impact for all of the life, from the humans as well and the other creature like animals and everything in this world. This pandemic affected badly in every sector of our life, start from our education and then like our economic, also our politic and the other sectors of our life. So for me, this pandemic is mostly make the big disadvantages for every people in this world. Every people can get the same damage of this pandemic as well. Start from every sector of their life, especially me, Ardian, as the student of MA Bilingual Muslimat NU Sidoarjo. Like we know this, the pandemic make us have to study at home by online because we may not meet each other in the one place, like in the class or in the school. We must have the long distance learning process, like the teacher from the school and the student from the each home. For me, this case will make the many damage for our life. So we need the something that can make it well, or something that can against this COVID-19. One of it is vaccine as well. Vaccine is one of the way from the medical medical people to against this virus. For me, this vaccine is very important for us as the people, or as Indonesian people, that by the government we have facilitated by the government for the free vaccine for all of the people in this country. So it's free. We don't need any cost or paid anymore for get the vaccine. This vaccine is so it can protect us from this virus as well. It can minimize the effect of this COVID-19 pandemic from our body. We can protect ourselves. We can protect people around surrounding us. We can protect our friends and our family exactly from this virus by we get vaccine as soon as possible. So, but in reality nowadays there are so many people that don't want to be vaccinated. I don't know why. I think they don't know about the truly information about the vaccine. They get the hoax information from the any hoax resources of the news. We don't know anything about what is the good impact of the vaccine. They just know if the vaccine can make us feel bad, and it truly make us get the bad impact than this virus as well. But in reality, this vaccine is created by us, created by the human to against this virus as well. So why should we afraid of being vaccinated? For me, it's very important to can educate every people in this country as the importance of to be vaccinated from the low people until the high people. Everyone has the same right for to be vaccinated. Start from the any culture, any religion, any group of people in this country. Everyone is must to be vaccinated as soon as possible for me, because that's very important to reduce and minimize the damage of this virus as well. We can save ourselves, we can save every people in this country and actually this world. We can end this pandemic as soonly. We can make the people feel safe because of this virus. We can back to the normal life like before. So for me, this is very important. We must educate every people in this country, especially people in surrounding us, our friends, our family, if this vaccine is very 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 important for us. We don't need to be afraid about something that hoax. We just follow the regulation of the government. The government give the facilities, so we use it as maximum. Okay, that's for me. I think that's a short explanation about a vaccine for me. I hope me and you as well can get my point and can get the vaccine as soon as possible to end this pandemic soon. Okay, that's all for me. I am Ardian Rita Yuda. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.